Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how we can use Marketplace to our advantage in Facebook. So first of all, we are at our personal profile that I created just for this purpose, to create some of the videos. I don't really want to see Rihanna, I don't really want to see anything else, I don't care about it. This is really bad about Facebook, but yeah, you know the ads. And what we need to do is focus on the left panel, where is the marketplace. I'm gonna click there. Obviously, you have to ignore all of this, because I'm from Slovakia, and the Facebook is basically tracking your position where you are at the moment, and the advertising works. I believe it's 60 kilometers around. Around the place where the Facebook thinks you actually is. Where you actually are. I'm really sorry for this mistake. So as you can see, we have a couple of listings. Facebook picks something for you that might interest you for some reason. I don't really know the algorithm behind it, but it's offering you all the options, I believe, from drivable distance. So we have some cars, we have some shoes, but cars mostly. I believe they're selling the most in here. So what we have notifications, we have something that you are buying and selling. We will get there to the next steps. I don't really want to create anything else. Here is the filter where you can change the radius. For example, let's go to 20 kilometers, since I don't really want to go around. As you can see, there is already all the listings from my city and the villages around. So yeah, that's it. Then we have categories that you can browse. We have vehicles, property, apparel, and this is basically all the filters. So that's how you use the marketplace. For example, if you're going to click on this car that is selling, it's already will show you they are going to sell Hyundai from 1998, so it's a pretty old car. It's 8,000 euros still. That's crazy. 150k driven and stuff like that. And there is a seller information. You can also just message the seller just like that, and start communicating on the marketplace about something that you really want. If you are buying something, you can just browse the marketplace, but this is something that you are like waiting for response or something like that. And we will create listing in the next video. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.